What's up, friends? Welcome to Mom's Dinner. My name is Susie Weinrich. Here, we're helping you feel successful at dinner time with super easy and delicious recipes. Today, we're doing a recipe from our 5-ingredient dinner series. We're making bean and cheese enchiladas. Here are the 5 ingredients you need. A canned refried bean. I always like to get the traditional ones, not the fat-free or vegetarian ones, because these are much creamier. You want to have a red enchilada sauce. Since this is a 5-ingredient dinner, I'm just using a canned red enchilada sauce. If you have a recipe for one that you want to make at home, go ahead and do that. A white onion, some yellow corn tortillas, and some cheese to shred. So stick around today. We're going to make a 5-ingredient bean and cheese enchilada for dinner.
All right, we're going to start by dicing up that white onion. You want to dice it pretty finely so that you don't have any really big chunks of raw onion in your enchiladas. Scoop that into a bowl, and then we're going to open up that 1 can of refried beans. Like I said, try to get the traditional refried beans, not the fat-free, because they're a little bit creamier than the fat-free ones. Mix those together, and then I pop them in the microwave just for a second so that they're really nice and spreadable. Y'all, this kitchen gadget, this cheese shredder, is everything my dreams are made of. I hate shredding cheese, but with this little thing, I don't hate it anymore. I will link this little cheese shredder in the description box below. Now we're gonna grab those yellow corn tortillas. You really do need to prep yellow corn tortillas before you roll them, or they will crumble and break and crack. Just be a hot mess. I take really wet paper towels, fold half of the corn tortillas, so like 5 or 6 corn tortillas, in those wet paper towels, and then microwave them for about 30 seconds, flip it over, and do another 30 seconds, and they are perfectly pliable. So you're going to prepare a 9x13 baking dish with about a half a cup of that enchilada sauce. Now we're going to set up a little assembly line. You have your tortillas, your beans and onions, and cheese. You're going to lay down a little bit of that bean and onion mixture in the middle, then a little cheese over top, and lay them seam side down in that prepared baking dish. We're going to repeat this until we've used all of those corn tortillas. And once I'm done, you're going to see that I can just take those paper towels and collect it up, and it collects all the extra cheese and little onions and beans that have escaped. We're going to pour the rest of that enchilada sauce over the enchiladas, then take the remaining shredded cheese, sprinkle it over top. We're going to cover this pan with foil, pop it in a 350 oven for 20 minutes. Then we're going to remove the foil, bake it for another 10 minutes. It's ready for dinner.
Hot out of the oven, and dinner is ready. This is such an easy dinner. Ready in like 35 minutes, truly, and everybody's gonna love it. I'm gonna serve this with a little Mexican rice, some chips and salsa, and call it good. I may add a little cilantro on top, maybe some diced avocado. So delicious. So I hope that you give this bean and cheese enchilada recipe a try in your kitchen, and it helps you feel like a success at dinner time. Join us next week for another recipe video on Tuesday of something you can make in your kitchen. And we would love to have you subscribe to the community by joining our newsletter. I'll put a link in the description box below. You just enter in your email address, and I send out about 2 emails a week. Has all of our new recipes, new videos, exclusive recipes, and all the goings on here at Mom's Dinner. So I hope to see you over there, but until next week, have a wonderful week ahead. See ya.